LA County Board of Supervisors once again battling LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva over enforcement of the vaccine mandate for deputies.
Supervisors are now considering using the county personnel director to discipline or terminate deputies who fail to get vaccinated. Fox 11's Chelsea Edwards is live with details. Chelsea.
So as it stands right now, department heads like Villanueva, they're the ones in charge of handling employees who are not in compliance with the current vaccine mandate. But this would put that power elsewhere, and it's meeting some pretty fierce opposition.
Supervisor Mitchell.
Aye.
Supervisor Mitchell, aye. Motion carries 4-0.
With that, the LA County Board of Supervisors agreed to move forward with a new plan to enforce the vaccine mandate among county employees.
I think that we owe it to the rest of our employees that we represent that we provide fairness.
The plan would give the county personnel director the authority to discipline or fire employees who refuse to comply with the current requirement. Right now, that power falls on individual department heads like the sheriff.
That would be just a death blow to public safety in LA County.
LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva has been outspoken against the mandate and argues that the proposal could ultimately cost some 4,000 sheriff's employees their jobs.
It almost amounts to a suicide pact, which if you care to join it, I think you should leave public safety out of it and leave that to the other county departments.
The motion was introduced by Supervisors Sheila Kuehl and Holly Mitchell, who argue that the current mandate should be enforced equally across all departments. As of February 1st, 81.5% of the county's 100,000 employees were fully vaccinated as required by the mandate. But in the sheriff's department, less than 60% of employees were in compliance.
Supervisor Barger.
I'm going to abstain.
Supervisor Catherine Barger was the proposal's one holdout. Quote, our county's COVID-19 employee vaccine mandate is an important part of our commitment to keep the public safe from a deadly virus, but not at the expense of decreasing services we are obligated to provide. Sheriff Villanueva put out a call to action via Twitter ahead of the meeting, urging people to speak out against the proposal.
As a person of color, I am skeptical of any medical procedure being forced upon me.
These men and women that are in fear of losing their jobs are the strongest and fittest people in our county. Vax or no vax.
And we stand in strong opposition to any changes in the civil service rules, which are already extremely robust in terms of discipline and disciplinary appeals.
Now, this proposal will be taken up again at a board meeting on March 15th, and that will be for final consideration. Reporting live from West Hollywood, I'm Chelsea Edwards, Fox 11 News.